What are the fastest ways to increase impressions for my ad campaigns? The fastest way is increase your bid. I know it sounds like intuitive, but really the fastest way it is to increase your bid. And once that you increase your bid and you still see that people are not clicking on your listing, it can be a conversion issue. So only then I would be looking into improving your main images. The reason for that is because I'm going to be honest with you. There are many categories where the main image, while it's important, it doesn't matter so much. And in those categories, if we're spending more, so if we're showing up higher on the search page, we can still convert, right? And that is also a fastest way for us to increase our impressions. For other categories where they're very competitive, beauty niche, pet niche, supplements niche, those are way more competitive. So there people already, because they're paying so much in advertising and one cost per click, it can go up to $17, $20, $50, honestly, as high as you want to, in order to get that top of placement, top of search placement. So that's why I'm saying that first off, I would just increase my bids to make sure that I have visibility. Then I would go into incognito, check that I do show up within the first page of Amazon, especially if I want to get to the top of search placement and I want to be seen, the product want to be seen. And then if that is already the case and I'm still not getting not even clicks, I would look into what's up with my main image. When it comes down to, again, look for the keyword that you're advertising for incognito window and then see, okay, who else is showing up for that specific keyword and how do they compare to me? And if you see that, hey, my image actually looks really bad compared to them, then you will realize, okay, so it's not anymore as much as an impression issue because you did gain impressions so people can see more your product, but you did not get the click, the conversion.